talked a little bit about the different parts of speech. What are the first thing we find in a sentence? Everybody.
Subject noun.
Then?
Verb.
Then?
Adjective.
Then?
Adverb.
Finally?
Preposition of phrase.
Prepositional phrase. Guys, the article is just, there's 3 of them. You can find them whenever you want. Alright, so subjects and predicates. Today we will talk about complete subjects and complete predicates. So let's take notes, not on your bell work, but on your notes. Alright, the most important word in the subject, you know this, is the subject noun. If there's no subject noun, there's no subject. That is why the subject noun is also known as the simple subject. It's the one word in the subject that you really, really need. Okay? So the most important word in the subject is the subject noun. The complete subject is the subject noun plus all the words that modify it. And modify, that's an important word in grammar. And I'm going to explain really quick in a minute. Dog. Now think of a dog, okay? Don't, please. So dog. Now that will be a noun. Now let's choose words that modify noun. So let's say the tiny dog. Now probably the image you had in your head just shrunk a little bit. And now I said the, what can I say? The one-eared tiny dog. Now, what if I say dogs? Now, your picture in your head changed now, right? Now if I say the 2 one-eared tiny dogs. All these words are changing what dogs looks like or whatever. Tiny dogs, one-eared dogs, 2 dogs. All those words modify dogs. And that's what we mean by modify. Okay? The most important word in the predicate is the verb, also known as the simple predicate. We've done that, right? In the box, when we fill out the box. So the simple predicate is always the verb. And then the complete predicate, though, is the verb and all the words that modify it. And that's it for the notes, but we're going to see a few examples. So, all I want us to do now is to find the complete subject and the complete predicate. To find the complete subject, first we have to find the simple subject, which is?
I already found it.
Birds. Very good. And now, simple subject or subject noun. Let's find the verb. Yes? Very good. Now, you know when I taught you that right after the subject noun you have to put a line and all that? Alright, that's for little kids. Now you guys are grown up. You guys are wiser now. You gotta learn the real way to separate this. The way you do it is find everything that talks about the subject noun. All the words that talk about the subject noun, and that is the subject. Can you guys guess what the complete subject is? Yes, Ellie?
Those 20 birds.
Those 20 birds, very good. Can you say those birds? Yeah, those birds. 20 birds?
Yeah.
Can you say on birds? Yeah, that's kind of weird. Because on is talking about car, on car. So those are the only words that talk about birds. So that's the subject. Complete subject. Everything else is the predicate. So from poop to my car, that's the predicate. The complete predicate. Okay? Now let's see a one that it's a little bit trickier. Who can tell me what the subject noun or even the complete subject is?
I can see.
Around the corner last month, the crazy man set a box on fire.
Yes.
These are sentences that the other classes come out with.
Oh!
Yes?
Man.
Man is the simple subject, very good. What is the complete subject? I know Ali knows. Yes?
The crazy man.
The crazy man. Very good. Everything else is the what?
Predicate.
This is a complete subject. That means that around the corner last month, set a box on fire is the predicate. Complete predicate. And somebody in the other class was like, why do we have two predicates? There are not two predicates. It's the same predicate, just that it's being split in two. You could also say, the crazy man set a box on fire around the corner last month. So you can move this over here. Right? But sometimes we can split them like that. And that's how we usually talk. There you go. That's it.